You bought your first rental property. Congratulations. But now the real work begins. Listings, pricing, guests, reviews, late-night maintenance calls. It's a lot. Most first-time owners underestimate what it takes to turn a property into real, reliable income. One bad review, one pricing mistake, one missed message, and your investment starts feeling like a second job you never wanted. There's a better way. At Zen Host Properties, we help first-time owners run stress-free, profitable short-term rentals without doing it all alone. Our property management team handles the details, coordination, maintenance, and operations, so your home stays pristine and your calendar stays full. With our Airbnb optimizer, your listing gets the photography, copy, and positioning it deserves, so you stand out in search and get booked faster. Our revenue reports give you clear, data-driven insights into what's working and where to improve. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. And with our marketing services, we fill every gap in your booking calendar, using tailored strategies that put your property in front of the right guests at the right time. Plus, our round-the-clock guest support ensures every visitor feels cared for, because 5-star experiences lead to 5-star reviews, and 5-star reviews lead to more revenue. We call it wellness-centered hospitality. You call it peace of mind. Whether you own one property or your first, we combine personalized support with data-driven strategy to maximize your income and your freedom. Ready to see what your property could really earn? Book a free call with our team or grab your free revenue report at zenhostproperties.com. Let's turn your property into passive income without the passive stress. Zen Host Properties, where exceptional vacation rental management meets wellness-centered hospitality.